are triggered when some modification or accessing is done in Firestore. Mainly there are 4 or 5 types of events in Firestore. First is on create. This will trigger when a document is written or created for the first time. Next is on update, triggered when a document already exists is updated. Then comes the on delete, triggers when a document with data is deleted. And on write, this will triggers when a document is created, updated, or deleted. Also on delete, on write, and on update, we will need the document ID for necessary modification. Lastly, on read, this will be triggered when a document is read or access. Inside on read, for real-time data access, there is a function known as on snapshot inside Firestore, which will be used for accessing the real-time changes. Further, all the use events types will be discussed in the demo briefly.